Hi everyone, so it was requested that I create a short video demonstrating the Stream application within the Office 365 platform. So I'm in my Office 365 homepage. If I go to the app launcher in the top left hand corner and I look for the application called Stream, I'm going to open that up. It's going to give me a very simple interface. There is only three options here. So we have upload, if you want to upload a video from your device, or if you took a video on a camera and you want to upload it to your OneDrive, this is how you do it. If you want to record your screen or record the camera that's on your device, so that's the feature that we're going to be using today, you would click recording. And then if you want to set up a playlist, and I'm going to show you how to set up a playlist. If you're creating interview skills videos, you can create a playlist and then they're really accessible, and that playlist will save to your OneDrive. So for the moment, we're going to click the recording feature, and that's going to bring us right in here. So we can set our backdrop, so exactly the same as you would on Teams. So is there anything that we can get here that might be suitable for an interview setting? So we'll go with that one. So then we have a couple of features here on, we'll go with the top first. So we can do presenter mode, which is if you're recording your screen and you want to see yourself in the bottom left or right corner, this is how you would do it. But if we want ourselves right in the center, then we would click the middle one here. On the right hand side, we also have features where we can add text. So let's add some text, and we're going to call this interview skills level 4 and my name. You would just click on the text, and we're going to move that just to the top corner. We're going to move ourselves back to the middle. We can also draw if you like. I don't use that feature a lot, but it is there if you need it. We can add stickers, so little emoji faces and whatnot. We can add filters, hashtag no filter. So that's what we'll go with. We can add frames. These are things that you may not need, but you can add them anyway. We can add a board, so if you want to have maybe a piece of writing here on the board, you can add that. You can make it bigger or smaller. And then you can add a photo if, I don't know, let's say there is a picture of an office that you want in the background. You can add a photo and that will add that photo as a background. A really brilliant feature that Stream has is the teleprompter. So we can actually type in here the script for the interview, and when we hit record, that will go through the script. Depending on what time you want, you can set it. So I've got a couple of questions here. We'll make the text a little bit smaller. You can decrease text by clicking this icon here, and as you can see, we have a couple of questions and answers, and we can also set the time here. So we can have it faster or slower. So then when you're ready to record, you have your teleprompter right in front of you, and then we can click record. It's going to give us 3, 2, 1 countdown. Then we can start recording our interview with our student, and when you're finished, you're going to click the stop button. That's a little bit slow, so you can test this and get a speed that works for you. When you're ready, you can click on the bottom right hand corner, which is the review countdown. Then we can start recording our interview with our student, and when you're finished, you're going to click the stop countdown. And as you can see, we don't see the teleprompter, so we can click finish, and that's going to save it directly to our OneDrive. If we want to create a playlist, we can click add to playlist here in the top left hand corner, click new playlist, and then we can call it interview skills level 4. You can have a description, and this will also save to my lists within OneDrive. You can create that. And now that's added to your playlist. So if we click view here, we could have all our interviews lined up here. If we go back, we can then share. So you can share it with that particular student. If the student records anything on their end, they can share it with you through the Cloud NLN email. You can add a thumbnail. You can transcribe the video, also set chapters. You can have comments turned on or off. And then you can have analytics. This is more if you're creating something like a podcast and you want to see how many people are listening, you can use this. And then what we can do, I understand that a lot of content needs to be added onto a USB stick for our modules. We can click the three dots here, click download, and then that will download that file to your computer. If I also go to my OneDrive, go to my files, there's our recordings there. Rename, and then we have our file saved. We can create a folder then. So I have a career preparation folder here. We can just drag and drop that into our career preparation folder. You can create another folder called interview skills if you like. And then we can drag that and place it in our interview skills folder, and it just keeps everything nice and tidy. And there it is there. So I hope this has showed you the power of the stream application within Office 365. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can contact me on Teams or ronan.fox@nln.ie, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, everyone.